Did you know that one of the world's rarest elements comes from a rock in space? That's right. Palladium, named after the asteroid Pallas, which was named after the Greek goddess Athena, is one of the rarest elements in Earth's crust, with an abundance of around 0.0015 parts per million. It has a high industrial demand despite how rare it is, which leads it to be more expensive than gold in recent years. Represented by the symbol PD, it has an atomic number of 46 and was discovered by William Hyde Wollaston in 1803 while analyzing samples of platinum ore that were obtained from South America. Interestingly, when Wollaston first discovered palladium, he did not immediately announce it. Instead, he released it onto the market anonymously. Wollaston later revealed that he discovered it when a fellow scientist, Richard Chenevix, suspected the metal was merely an alloy of platinum or mercury, leading to Wollaston being officially credited with his discovery of palladium. In terms of fun facts, palladium can absorb up to 900 times its own volume in hydrogen, forming a palladium hydride. However, palladium's most unique property is perhaps its catalytic abilities. For instance, when combined with certain other elements, it can facilitate a reaction known as hydrogenation, where hydrogen atoms are added to other molecules. It's also the primary compound in the catalyst used for the Heck reaction, a process so important in creating carbon-carbon bonds that its discoverer, Richard F. Heck, won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2010 for it. In terms of uses, it is used in catalytic converters, being able to convert harmful gases into less harmful substances. An interesting story comes with that. In 2000 to 2001, the automotive industry faced a so-called palladium scare. The price of the metal surged as Russia, the main supplier, unexpectedly held back exports. Palladium, used in catalytic converters, saw its price reach an all-time high of more than $1,000 per ounce. In recent years, those prices have skyrocketed to around $2,800. That explains why people steal catalytic converters. Palladium is also used in jewelry because of how volatile it is. That also means that the jewelry you wear, if palladium, or white gold as it is also called, could be a piece of a catalytic converter or electronics. On another note, palladium-103, a radioactive isotope of palladium, is used in the treatment of prostate cancer. This treatment, known as brachytherapy, involves the implantation of tiny radioactive seeds into the prostate to kill cancer cells. Finally, palladium is the center of research in regards to cold fusion. In 1989, electrochemists Martin Fleischmann and Stanley Pons did an experiment by using a palladium electrode to supposedly achieve cold fusion. Though their experiment is heavily debated, palladium remains the center of research for cold fusion. That is your insightful view into the element known as palladium.